The Spanish R sounds nothing like the English R.
Sugar Astronaut presents.
Hello everyone, in today's lesson we will learn two different sounds that are related to the letter R in Spanish. The first sound is for the single R, and the second sound is for the double R. Let's learn the first R sound, the single R. The sound is pretty similar to the double T in English. For example, bitter and attic. Now let the tip of your tongue touch the top part of your mouth. Then, after that, you will have to move the tongue on the downside of your mouth. The motion is some sort of flapping from top to bottom. And then you need to pronounce any vowel. Now, let's try to do this. Ra, re, ri, do, ru. Now, let's pronounce some Spanish words that have this particular sound. Pero, pero, cara, cara, carisma, carisma, araña, araña, berenjena, berenjena, virus, virus. Okay, that was the single R sound. Now let's do the next one, the double R sound. To make this sound, you will need to touch once again the top of your mouth with your tongue. After that, you need to say any vowel again, but this time you will have to leave the tongue where it is touching the top of your mouth. This sound will be similar to making the same sound as a car moving. For example, rrr. So I leave my tongue touching the top side of my mouth. Now let's try saying some vowels. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Here are some examples of words using this sound. Carro, carro, agarradera, agarradera, correo, correo, arriba, arriba. This is a funny one, right? And the last one. Arruga, arruga. This will take practice. If you pronounced every single sound correctly, then good job. If not, don't forget to keep practicing. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget that we upload videos every single week, so don't miss out. Subscribe here. If you want to watch more videos, you can click here. Also, we're on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and Instagram. The links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing and liking this video. Thank you, and until next time.